Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix the Discord app expired issue. If you're having trouble with the Discord app constantly expiring, follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, try logging out of your Discord account and then logging back in. This simple step can often refresh your account and resolve any expiration issues. Next, log out of Discord on all devices that you are currently signed in on. Once you've done this, log back in on your main device to see if the expiration issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, try clearing the cache files on your device. Go to your device's settings, then navigate to Apps and select Discord. Tap on Clear Data and choose Clear Cache to remove any app-related cache files that may be causing the issue. Additionally, make sure that the Discord app is allowed to run in the background on your device. Check your device's battery optimization settings to ensure that Discord is not being restricted from running in the background. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Discord app expired issue and get back to using the app without any interruptions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.